Hi guys, Preston Odenbrett here from the 90-day video challenge. This is day 80 already. And I'm going to try something differently today again. As you can see, I have some very unique lighting now. And I learned that from Ronnie Bincer. Everybody's told me to put a light in front of me, and you'll be able to see my face better. And as you can see, it looks a lot better. It looks more professional. So finally, after 80 days, you can finally get a good view if you want to have a view at all. Anyways, I just wanted to share with you today. We're going to go through the settings of Smash, making sure that you set it up correctly, because there's two profile sections in Smash. One is for social, and the other one is for your profile. And it's always good to fill out at least the main one for the profile, because that's just like you do in Facebook and Twitter and all the other places, G+, of course. Um, so it's really no different. The only difference is we got two different profiles, and there's reasons for that for the next phase that's coming out, and I can't reveal that yet. So, but it's going to be a lot easier and a lot you'll understand it then. So, anyways, we'll go back to the screen share now, and hopefully this will work. For some reason, the screen share today is not doing so well. And let me go back here to make sure you see the same thing I do, and of course you don't. So I need to stop sharing it, and let's figure out what I need to do. I apologize for that. In the meantime, go ahead and go to my website at PrestonOdenbrett.com/video if you want to see whiteboard animation videos, not necessarily what I was planning to do or even show you. It was in a couple other videos that I mentioned it. Let me try this again. For some reason, the screen share does not like that for whatever reason. So I'm going to try it a different way. And that means I'm going to, because for some reason on the screen share, even though I have it on Google Chrome, it shows it as black. And I'm like, how is it showing it black? It should be showing my actual screen shot. So I'm going to just go to my screen. It's going to go through that mirror thing again, but I'm going to try to switch over there right away. There we go. Now it's green. Interesting. Let me go back here. Oh, there it goes. Okay. It's that mirror thing. So anyways, I went into account settings under my name when you sign in. And basically you get all the settings. You get your profile settings, you get your notification settings, you get your account settings, you get your time zone. So first thing you should do is put your time zone in here, because that's basically going to help you with the calendar, because it's based upon your time zone, and then the people who are booking times with you will actually see that it is a time zone that you are in, and they'll see the time zone that they are in. So it's highly suggested you put that time zone together. Profile settings, like I said, you can set it for everyone for profile pictures, about, experience details, education details, personal information, additional information, address, friends. I put it as everyone, but you can change it, like I said, friends are only me. All right, so make sure you do that. The social settings are actually on this other screen, and this is where you edit your profile for the social area. And so of course you put your name, your phone number, birth date. You'll notice it did change it to the language here. It's Spanish. It's interesting. And I've already, of course, filled out most of this information beforehand, so I don't need to fill it in again, but you'll have to go through it all. But pretty simple, pretty self-explanatory, not that difficult to do, especially if you've done profiles before in your own Facebook page, or even Facebook for that matter, or any social media always wants you to have a profile. You can edit your photo. So if I look at my photo here, you'll see this in a second. Okay, there's my photo. I just basically choose a file and save the photo. Pretty simple. And then if you go to profile style, my computer's working faster too. Is this basically, if you do know SS or CSS code, you can give it more of a personalized look. I don't, so I kind of leave that alone. You probably want to leave it alone if you don't know what you're doing, because I don't know what it would do if you mess it up. And then you got the profile interests. Again, pretty self-explanatory how to do that. Well, my computer was working well, and now it is kind of slow. Come on. And if you're wondering, it is my birthday today. It's the 28th, so I'm celebrating it by working. I don't know, I can't rest yet. I need to, I should, but there's just so much things to do and not enough time to do them. Okay, come on. Oh, I apologize for that. Profile interest is not wanting to show up here. You can see it's working, but it's just not. My computer doesn't like it. I think it's going to come in here shortly. Again, I apologize for all my technical glitches. That's just what it is. Don't have a fast internet upload speed or download speed. There's nothing you can do. I mean, I got the highest one possible for home-based businesses, but it's not fast enough, obviously. So I can't show you the profile interest, but that's pretty self-explanatory, like I said. If we go to my name again, there will be a drop-down menu. Of course, it could be the server's having some problems, but if I actually go to contacts, let's say, this is where you would fill in your other information. There we go. Thank you very much. Okay, and you go to, again, your name, drop down, you go to account settings. And this should be where you set your own account information, but now I am not seeing that. Because you should be able to set it up about all the other stuff. So it must have switched something on me. This is what we already seen. So where did they put that? They must have moved it somewhere. Apologize again. I went through this just earlier tonight. Let's see what the world says. It's the profile view. Okay, that's what it is. It's the globe. So this is what you want to fill out. You want to make sure that this, again, is part, when you go to contacts, calendar, tasks, or events, to fill this information out. You can edit your profile. You can do about, you can do experience, all the other stuff that you normally do when setting up a profile. Websites, email, whatever the case may be, home contract, all that other fun stuff. So I gotta change some things in there. I haven't changed it for a while. You might want to look at your profile every 6 months too, just on social media, just in general, and then you can edit all that information. Then and then that's really all you need to do for the profile. And once that's filled out, then you're good to go, and you can find friends. If you know somebody who's in this business with you or part of your team, you actually can click on here. I don't have any friend requests. I just had a whole bunch of them later, but people I might know, and you can find friends that way. This is your actual message area where messages comes in. Sorry, it's really hot right now, and I don't got the fan going, so. And the light is, of course, right now in front of me. So it gets even hotter. Okay, well, that's all I can show you right now. I don't want to go too far with this if it's, there it is. Oh, of course, it didn't load for me. Try it one more time, otherwise I'm going to stop sharing, and we'll move on. But I went through the whole entire system step by step. There's something wrong with that one. It must be redoing it. There is another section here that I just noticed, and I told you guys a couple of days ago. A friend found it, or I saw it, and it's actually a chat room, and it looks like initially you can chat with anybody that you'd like that's in your group, that is your friend, that's part of your business, whatever the case may be. And they're setting it up, and I think it's going to be pretty cool. I don't know all the details on it yet, but if you go to Social Home, because I asked one of the main people there, what was that? He said, yeah, it's a new part of the site that's going to be going up here shortly, and we'll be probably announcing it tomorrow at the meeting. If you want to know more about Smash, like I said, make sure you sign up. At least get a free account, and then you can go to smashcalendar.com to see more about it. We have classes online for free that you can look at and ask any questions that you want to one of the executives or a couple of executives. But make sure you signed up, or after that class, sign up and use my access code, which is 491. When you do sign up, I appreciate that. Go to smashsolutions101.com. So I'm going to have to get out of this. I apologize. It's just not doing anything. And maybe you didn't even see it. I don't know. Can't really tell right now. I think everything should be good now. Maybe you didn't see anything. I gotta rewind that. But you should have saw what I saw, but because I just double checked it before, but somehow it must have kicked myself out because I see myself now. Well, with that said, if you have any questions, like I said, just let me know. I don't want to waste more of your time. That was actually my old one. You can go either to my website, prestonodin.com, to learn more about everything I do, or just go to smashsolutions101.com to sign up for your free account, and then I can give you a demo personally for what you're doing and what you need it for. Thanks again for your time. God bless. We'll talk to you tomorrow. Day 81, getting close.